Hello students, welcome to Birla International School. You are watching your school channel Birla Kids. This is workbook of class 4th for mathematics and today we are going to solve worksheet 15. And the very first question is given, fill in the blanks. So the first question is 26 into 1. Of course the number will be 26. As you all know that if we multiply any number by 1, the answer will be the same number. Okay students? 16 threes are. So the table of 16 3 times 16 threes are 48. Here left hand side, this side number is missing. We have to multiply 1, 2 and 3 numbers, then answer will be 0. So here should be 0. 6 into what number to get 30? So 6 5s are 30. 0 into 0 is of course 0. 4 into 0 will be 0. Here this is sign of equal to, and you can see in this side 3 numbers are given, 3 4 8. Here 8 3, 4 is missing, so we have to write 4. Here again the sign of equal to is given. This side numbers are given 7 and 8, so this side should be 8 and 7. The same type of question given, 25 and 8, so here 8 and 25. Again this side sign of given equal to, this side numbers are given 6 4 3. Here 4 3, the number will be 6. Okay students, see the next question number second, and question number second is given, find the product of the following numbers. So we have to multiply these numbers and to write here. Okay students, so start multiplying. If we multiply these two numbers, as you all know how to multiply the numbers, you have learned in the previous classes to multiply the numbers. Only one I am going to solve, tell you how to multiply. That is given 112 by 800. So just left these two zeros and multiply 112 by 8. 112 by 8. Multiply this. 8 2s are 16. So 6 carry over 1. 8 1s are 8 and 1 9. 8 1s are 8. So number is 896. We have to write here 896, and these two zeros will repeat here. So in this way we have to multiply all the numbers. Okay students, so you have to multiply in rough. I am going to tell you the answers. So after multiplying you have to match whether your answer is correct or not. So the answers of the following numbers, on multiplying these two numbers you will get 72,000. On multiplying these two numbers you will get 20300. On multiplying these two numbers you will get 22330. On multiplying these two numbers you will get 51800. On multiplying these two numbers you will get 14641. On multiplying these two numbers you will get 255000. On multiplying these two numbers you will get 12000. On multiplying these two numbers you will get 224000. On multiplying these two numbers you will get 1104000. Okay students, see the next question number third, and question number third is given, fill the boxes with actual division. So you have to divide and then you have to write the answer, that on dividing this number what will you get. You have to write quotient here and remainder here. Okay students, so the first I am going to tell you how to divide. So see the question number first, we have to divide 62570 by 100. So start dividing. So if we divide 625 by 100, this will divide 6 times, we will get 600. Okay students, now subtract these two numbers, you will get 25. Now you have to write down the next digit 7 here. Now divide 2 times, there will be 200, and on subtracting you will get 57. Now you have to write the 0 here. Okay students, now again divide. You will see that on dividing by 100 it will divide by 5 times and number will be 500. So the last remainder is 70. So this is quotient and this one is remainder. We will write here For the first question, the quotient is 625 and the remainder is 70. Okay students, and similarly you have to divide the remaining numbers and then you have to write quotient and remainder in these boxes. So I'm going to write down the answers. You have to divide in rough and then you have to tell you the answers. Okay students, so I have written all the answers. You can see you have to divide in rough and then you have to tell the answers. See the last question, number 4th, and the question is given, fill in the boxes. So the table of 9 5s are 45. So here will be 5. As you all know that 0 divided by 10 will be 0. Any number divided by 1, the same number will be repeated. So 8, 4, 6, 9. Here 400 divided by 400, the answer will be 1. Okay students, so your worksheet 15 completed. Now you have to write down these answers in your worksheet and we will see you again with the solution of next worksheet in the next video. Till then, have a good day.